welcome aboard the Aviara AV32 2020 that we have listed here in Lake Erie. We got the barstool style seating on the bow. All three are adjustable. You got your sink, accent lighting all the way through and on the hard top that can be changed, RBG lighting, table mount there as well as in the bow. You've got joystick, you've got a digital anchor feature, you've got an Ilmore one-touch display as well as a vessel control and a GPS there in the middle. So three big screens make it easy to see what you're doing. Everything is controlled on the boat right here. A large head with storage and a sink. We've got sea deck throughout in the tan, matching the cool touch vinyl. Again, cup holders and RGB lighting up here. Premium sound system, windlass, walk-through windshield, full canvas on this boat, just over 300 hours. Adjustable bolsters at the helm. Very clean boat. Listed at SkipperBud's. Call Austin.